It's been predicted that by year 2050, the population of Earth will be more than 9 billion people. Now, this means that there's a big challenge ahead of us in order to feed this large of a population. And one of the solutions is to teach the future generation of decision makers at the very beginning how to make these decisions which can be sustained over a longer period of time so that we can meet this global challenge. Systems thinking is an approach of problem solving where you look into different components and the complex interrelationships between those components of a system. So the idea is so that when you make decisions, you are not just focusing on one part of the system, but looking at what could be the impacts of these decisions on other parts of this system.
I love working with the University of Nebraska on projects like this because it brings new energy into the after-school space. By identifying a problem like sustainable agriculture and systems thinking for agriculture, and then creating a platform for young people in the after-school world to start getting involved with, that's a win-win. Kids are going to love that kind of hands-on engaged programming. It's going to be building that pipeline that the university needs for kids who are determined to solve the problems confronting their communities in the future. So this is a win-win for all of us involved.
Our next step going through with our aquaponics project is to actually go out into the high schools and take our aquaponics kits with us and teach the high school students about the system and have them actually build them. And then we want those high school students to relay that information and teach the middle school students about it.
Having this opportunity to understand and solve a problem using this aquaponics setup, our youth and our students will be able to take this learning and apply it to larger problems as and when they make decisions. I am excited about this project because first it is an opportunity to work and bring the community together, the undergraduate students together, and the middle school and the high school students together. And then of course it is giving us an opportunity to actually see how we can try to contribute to the solution of what we will be facing by year 2050.